Time for the 2023 Pure Stock Drags, and it's Friday morning. We're getting ready to head up to Stanton for the drag strip, so getting the car loaded. Obviously we don't trailer this thing, so getting all our tools and luggage put in, some snacks, and in a couple hours we'll be up at Stanton getting ready to race. Just getting to Stanton, just got through tech, just got our number assigned, so everything's looking good. So now we're gonna go, got the car unloaded, get ready to make our first pass. Hanging out in the staging lane, getting ready to make my first pass. They're just doing some track prep, so another minute these two guys will go, then I'll get a chance to run down the track. Hoping to be under 16.1, hopefully 15.7, we'll see. In line for the scales to get weighed. First pass, we're hoping to be under 16.1, and we're at 15.48, so 0.6 faster than last year. So I think the tuning is working. Okay, so we're 0.6 faster than last year, so we made some good changes over the winter. So now we're going to come in here and pull the metering rods, and I'm going to put slightly larger metering rods in and lean out the engine just a touch. All-in spark is about 37 degrees, and that seems to be running good. I've got no knock. So we'll put those metering rods in, put it back together, and go for another run.
Their maintenance on the track, and we'll get back at it. Going again until 5 o'clock.
It's race day, just got my match up, and I think I want to make one more change to my tune-up. I'm going to put the original metering rods back in, the 52 and 65 rods. I got just a little lean sag going, and I know I can run my qualifying time with these, so I'm going to change those out and then go out and do a practice run. I got my first practice run done today, and I ran a 15:48, so right about on my qualifying time. My matchup is a 65 Ford Galaxie two-door sedan. They qualified at 15:56, so I'm going to go find him, but that should be a really good matchup. And changing the metering rods really helped. Well, I was getting like a lean sag right at launch, and the car was bogging, so putting a little more fuel back at it really seemed to help the launch. So I think we're good. I'll probably do one more practice run, and then we're ready for the shootout. So here's the car I'm running, 65 Ford Galaxie XL, and he qualified at 14:55. And this is a gorgeous car. Wow. 390 cubic inch 4-barrel.
1284, 108 miles per hour. Barracuda in the left lane turned to 1364 at 100 miles per hour.
Oh, bucket seat car too.
Up next,
4-speed, great. The 4 speeds will challenge each other. What a great car. So I'll have to meet the owner here, but we got a good matchup. Okay, lining up for the race. This is going to be run number 1. So, first year we are in the second row. Normally we were in the first row, but we're moving back, so it must mean we're getting faster. So, getting the first row lined up, waiting for my competitor to show up. So, should be fun.
Again, draw.
Getting ready for the first round. A little over 100 cars here today. There we are, second car, second row. And of course you got the paddock area, all the trailers. So, gorgeous day, ready to get out, get running.
The winner is Joe in the Grand Prix 1560, 90 miles per hour. The Challenger turns at 1599, 96 miles per hour. Not an R1, that one is 240, my bad. He wins 1546, 88 miles per hour, beating the Fords. The Grand Prix that year. He turned to 1483 at 91 miles per hour. Excellent, Joe. I know you've been trying hard this weekend. The red lighting Challenger 1539. Wes Osbaugh passes Ford Galaxie, 394 speed, 330 horsepower. He's going against Neil Loughlin, the Studebaker Daytona, which is the fanciest Daytona, out of the buckets and console. Very nice sporty car back in the day. 1560, 87 miles per hour from Studebaker, beating the Galaxies of 1565. Looks like the Grand Prix turns to 1479 at 97 miles per hour. The red light Challengers 1540 next. We have Wes Osbaugh with the 65 Galaxie going against Neil Loughlin with his 1964 Studebaker. Four barrels, 39. 44 miles per hour. 15 for the Galaxie up next. Cougar eliminated in the left lane. White is the one available color.
home from Stanton. Great weekend of racing. Just took a couple minutes, put the side mirrors back on, put the bumper guards back on, and getting ready to put her back in the garage, but just for the day, because she's going to go to work with me tomorrow at the bookstore, so we can see if any of our friends come in. But a great weekend, fun racing. Car ran great all the way out, all the way back home. So another successful weekend of fun pure stock drag racing.